Hey guys, have you seen my dad? AKA Big Thomas? No, sorry, Thomas, I haven't. No, sorry, Thomas, I haven't. No, sorry, Thomas, I haven't. We all haven't seen him. Oh, God damn it. Fucking God. Where's my dad? I haven't seen him. Oh, fucking Christ. Where the fuck can he be? I don't know, but I don't know. He's probably outside, I don't know, being retarded or something, I don't know. Do not call my dad retarded. Okay, I'm sorry, Thomas. I was just playing around. Okay, we'll help you look for him, alright? Come on, guys, let's go. Yeah, alright, let's go. Where should we look first? Let's go to the shoe police station. Maybe they can help us find shit or whatever. Yeah, I guess so. Come on. Hey guys, can you help us find something? Yeah, it's a missing person. It's my dad, Big Thomas. I'm sorry, kid. We can help you find that big ass fucking ass train. Well, why not? He's too big, and besides, he's probably around somewhere. So talk to us when he's gone, like for a week or so. Oh, what the hell? Thanks for nothing. Yeah, you're welcome. Oh, come on. Oh, fuck this tender sometimes. Uh, 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 we can't find him, god damn it. Oh, so what are we gonna do about it? I don't know. I don't know. What the fuck was that? Yeah, I know, right? With the house was just shaking or whatever. We could find a clue. Oh, now my head's hurting just by thinking about that. My dad could be anywhere and he's lost somewhere. Don't give up hope, Thomas. How about you stay here and rest, so we'll go out to find him or whatever. So you rest here, Thomas. Rest your little boiler or whatever, and we'll go out looking for your dad, alright? Right, guys? Yeah. Come on, guys. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Yeah. See you later, Thomas. Later. I hope they find my dad. But until now, I'll get some sleep. Oh, no. Huh? Hi, it's me, fucker. Wait, oh, you're the, like, one that we eat? Like for James' estate or whatever? No, that was my brother that you actually eat. Yeah, I'm his twin. And now for revenge, I'm gonna fucking kill you and your entire family. What the fuck did you do to my dad, Big Thomas? Oh, you're about to find out. Yes. Help me. Oh, daddy. Yeah, go with your fucking daddy. Come on. Make sure you don't get out of that shit. There we go. Though I'm just gonna wait for the rest of the game to come back. Well, so far there's no sign of him. I mean, he's big as fuck. Not as big as Godzilla, but the point is, come on, he should literally be around here somewhere. I don't know. So where do we look now? I don't know. Hey guys, look what I found. Huh? Percy, come back here. Come back here, Percy. No, look, come on, look. What is it? Scissors. Are you fucking for real? Oh, come on, let's go. Let's go back. But what are we gonna tell Thomas? I guess I'll take the scissors. We'll just tell him that we can't find him or whatever. Easy as that. Alright. Hey Thomas, I'm sorry but we couldn't find your daddy. Yo, you fucking kidding me. Yo, I'm kidding. But you find some sisters. Hey Thomas? Where is he? Thomas? Where is he? Oh no, it's the bear. Take that, you piece of shit, bear. Ah, fuck you guys. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Take that, fucker. Come on, guys. Come on. Oh, fuck you. Fuck you. Stupid bear. Have a heart. Huh, I guess these sisters really did come in handy. They sure did. See, you never know when you might need something until you need it. I'll get your dad out. Okay, Sam, I'll help too. Sam, I'll go help your dad. You go finish him out, Thomas. Hell yeah, I am. You belong in fucking jail. There I got him. Well, we've been looking for this guy for weeks now. It's just like his twin brother, right? The other one, we got the same bear, but there's his other twin. We just barely found out that he has like 3 twins now. Well, good luck. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. Yeah, you're in jail now. So, enjoy it, fucker. Dad, you're back. Hell yeah, I was stuck back in there because the son of a bitch fucking put me there. We're just glad to have you back, Daddy. Yes, yes, indeed. Yeah, indeed. Oh. No, I'm fine, Percy, but please throw that shit away. Okay. There. But the point is, you saved the day. Guys, yeah, we did, didn't we? Yeah, we did, yeah. How about some ice cream? Oh, hell yeah, let's go.